it's finally here. All our hard work, this promotion is finally paying off. And nandito na. We're excited. This is a family movie at para po sa lahat ito.
May ka ba ba knowing that Kim's in the audience?
Ay, oo nga eh. Nakakatuwa nga nandito sila.
Ano sa bosses mo? What can you be proud of them?
Well, I'm just really proud na we finished it right away. Ano lang, 2 days lang namin ito ginawa. And it's really a wonderful project. It's really a wonderful movie. And tsaka mag-i-enjoy maraming tao.
Ano ba ka? That's Valentine's Day.
Pwede.
Met Zian, I said this is the perfect person for the role. Zian was so accommodating and so humble, and his dedication to the role has been truly a blessing.
Maraming salamat po, guys. Thank you so much for coming. And before anything, i-acknowledge ko lang po, friends from the press, maraming salamat for helping us spread the word. Thank you, maraming salamat. Friends and family of Tongdao, my McDonald's family, they were here a while ago. Thank you so much. Mid family, Kuya Jobet at Estela. Hey guys, thank you. Star Magic family, they really work hard for this. Sila talaga yung nagsiset up ng mga promotions, sa mga mall shows. Thank you for all the help. Aldo, thank you to my handler, Ate Gidjet and Ate Gian. Maraming salamat. Mr. Stephen Laisat from the British Embassy, thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for gracing our event. And to everyone here, sa mga Star Magic artists, Kim, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting our event. And my Captain Cinema family, thank you for all the trust. Siyempre, thank you po Ms. Maver Mayugam, Ms. Michelle Mapua, and Mr. Paul Foster. Thank you for the trust you guys gave me to give life to Paddington. Maraming salamat. So anyways guys, let's enjoy the movie and maraming salamat.
Galing nung ng boses mo ron. How did you pull up that accent? Yeah.
We just kept on doing different variations and it turned out pretty good. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood and sa Captain Cinema rin syempre for trusting me with the project.
Yeah, even si Kim, I just interviewed it earlier na tuwan-tuwa siya.
Oo nga, sabi na, boss mo talaga yun, pero it is my voice. So thanks guys.